Did you know that clove water, a simple concoction of cloves soaked in water, is a secret health booster that many overlook? A surprising fact, isn't it? Yet, it's absolutely true. Clove water, a humble blend of these aromatic flower buds steeped in water, is a hidden gem in the world of health and wellness. This unassuming elixir is loaded with antioxidants. Yep, those incredible compounds that wage war against harmful free radicals in your body. But that's not all. Clove water also boasts a treasure trove of anti-inflammatory properties. These properties can be your secret weapon in warding off a whole range of health issues, from common aches and pains to more serious chronic conditions. So you see, this simple, easy-to-make beverage is more than just a fragrant addition to your kitchen. It's a powerhouse of health benefits waiting to be discovered. Now that we've piqued your curiosity, let's dive into the numerous health benefits of this marvelous elixir. Prepare to be amazed by the transformative health benefits of clove water. Now, let's dive into the pool of health benefits that clove water offers. This aromatic drink has been used for ages in traditional medicine, and modern science confirms its potency. Each sip of clove water is a step towards better health. Firstly, clove water is a boon for our digestive system. It stimulates the secretion of digestive enzymes, improving digestion and preventing issues like bloating, indigestion, and nausea. This natural remedy has been used for centuries to soothe an upset stomach. Next, we have the immune-boosting properties of this magical elixir. Cloves are rich in antioxidants, which help the body fight off oxidative damage and harmful free radicals. What's more, clove water is a great source of vitamin C, a nutrient vital for a robust immune system. So if you're looking to give your body's defense system a boost, clove water is the way to go. Here's a benefit that might surprise you. Clove water can aid in weight loss. It helps improve metabolic rate, leading to more calories being burned. Plus, its fiber content promotes feelings of fullness, helping you control your appetite and maintain a healthy weight. And let's not forget about skin health. The antibacterial properties of clove water can help keep your skin clear and healthy. It's also rich in antioxidants, which can help delay the signs of aging like wrinkles and fine lines. Now, on to one of the most well-known benefits of cloves' oral health. Cloves have been used for centuries to treat toothaches and oral infections due to their antimicrobial properties. Rinsing your mouth with clove water can help keep your gums healthy and your breath fresh. Finally, the antimicrobial properties of clove water extend beyond oral health. It's been shown to inhibit the growth of harmful bacteria and fungi, making it a potent ally against various infections. As you can see, this unassuming beverage packs a hefty health punch. So why not incorporate clove water into your daily routine? Your body will surely thank you. Let's summarize the key points about the health benefits of clove water. This humble yet potent elixir is loaded with benefits that can transform your health in ways you may never have imagined. First off, let's talk about antioxidants. These are compounds that help protect your body from harmful free radicals. Clove water is a rich source of these health-protecting antioxidants. It's like having a personal bodyguard, warding off damage from harmful molecules that can speed up aging and disease. Next up, clove water is a natural anti-inflammatory. Inflammation can lead to a host of health problems, from joint pain to heart disease. But fear not. Clove water is here to save the day. This magical elixir can help decrease inflammation in your body, providing relief and promoting overall health. But that's not all. Clove water can also aid digestion. Having trouble with bloating or indigestion? A glass of clove water might just be the remedy you need. It can help soothe your digestive system, reducing discomfort and promoting regularity. And if you're looking to bolster your body's defenses, clove water is your go-to. It can boost your immunity, helping your body fight off germs and diseases. Think of it as your very own health superhero, always ready to defend you from harm. Are you on a weight loss journey? Clove water could be your secret weapon. It can aid in weight loss, helping to regulate your metabolism and curb cravings. And let's not forget about skin health. Clove water can improve your skin, helping to clear up blemishes and giving your complexion a healthy glow. It's like a spa treatment in a glass. Finally, clove water has excellent antimicrobial properties. It can help kill off harmful bacteria and other microorganisms, keeping your body healthy and strong. So, next time you're looking for a health boost, consider reaching for a glass of clove water. Your body will thank you.